Okay, for this one they want us to solve these two equations. So I have 18x minus 3y equals 9 and y equals 6x minus 3. I'm going to substitute in, right? So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it in right there, right? So let's do that. I have 18x minus 3 times y, but I'm going to substitute in 6x minus 3 equals 9. So now we distribute the 3, so we get minus 18x minus negative, that's plus 9, equals 9. These cancel out, we get 9 equals 9. And when does 9 equal 9? 9 always equals 9, so this one would be infinitely many solutions. And we know if we graph these two lines, they're actually going to be the same graph. So let's graph. So let's graph the bottom one first. Y equals 6x minus 3, 1, 2, 3. Slope of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1, right? So there's the graph, right? And clearly I'm doing very rough graphs here, right? All right. And then this one, right? Let's get some intercepts, right? So if I put a 0 in for x, I get negative 3y equals 9. So the y-intercept equals negative 3. Y-intercept negative 3, that's right there. And then if I put a 0 in for y, I get 18x equals 9. X equals 9/18, 1/2, right? So the x-intercept is 1/2, which is here. And if we graph it, we get the same line right over top of each other, right? Whoops. Okay, you get the idea. Same line. And we knew that was going to happen because we got infinitely many solutions. So how does the graph explain what happened? Well, every single point on this line, everywhere on that line is a solution. So there's infinitely many solutions.